Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Unit 2, Lesson number 2. In this lesson, we will look at the letter Ha. The letter Ha is from a family of 3 letters, all sharing the same shape. All 3 letters have a curved shape similar to a number 2, but upside down. Each letter has a different number of dots in different positions to help distinguish between them. The letter Ha is pronounced from the middle of the throat. The sound that the Ha makes is similar to the sound that we make if we were to breathe onto a mirror or onto glass. So if there was glass in front of our mouth and we were breathing onto it to make some steam or to make some fog, then we would make a Ha sound in order to do so. And the sound is exactly the same as the sound we make when we say Ha. We identify Ha and distinguish it from the other letters in its family because it has no dots. Now let's listen to how to pronounce the letter Ha. Ha, He, Hu, Ha, He, Hu. So the letter Ha with a fatha, which is the line above it, makes a Ha sound. The Ha with a kasra, which is the line beneath it, makes a He sound. And the Ha with a dhamma, which is the curly line above it, makes a Hu sound. With the long vowel alif, the Ha makes a Ha sound, which is similar to the fatha but longer and more stretched. So with the fatha, the sound is Ha, and with the alif, the sound is Ha. With the long vowel Ya, the Ha makes a He sound, and with the long vowel Waw, the Ha makes a Hu sound. When writing the letter Ha in the beginning of a word, it appears like this, with the bottom half of the letter cut off and with a link ready to connect onto the following letter. Like in this word Hajj, the Ha is connected to the Jim after it. And in the middle of a word, the Ha appears like this, with the link before and after it, as it's a fully connected letter, so it can connect on both sides. Like in these words Bahr and Rahim, the Ha is connected to the letters before and after it. And in the end of a word, the Ha appears with one link before it or by itself if it's after a semi-connected letter. Like in these words Rih, the Ha is connected to the Ya before it, or the word Tuffah, where the Ha is by itself because it's after an alif, which is a semi-connected letter. Examples of Ha used in words with short vowels: the Ha with a fatha, making a Ha sound, is used in the word Hajj, which means pilgrimage. With a kasra, the Ha is used making a He sound in the word Hilya, which means jewelry. And with a dhamma, the Ha is used making a Hu sound in the word Hujra, which means room. With long vowels, the Ha is used with an alif, making a Ha sound in the word Hakim, which means ruler. With a Ya, it makes a He sound, like in the word Hina, which means at the time. And with a Waw, it makes a Hu sound, like in the word Hut, which means whale. So to summarize the letter Ha, with a fatha, it makes a Ha sound. With a kasra, it makes a He sound. With a dhamma, Hu. And with a sukoon, or by itself, it makes a Ha sound. With an alif, the sound is Ha. With a Ya, the sound is He. And with a Waw, the sound is Hu. Used with a short vowel, the Ha with a fatha in the word Hajj, the Ha with a kasra in the word Hilya, and the Ha with a dhamma in the word Hujra. With long vowels, the Ha with an alif in the word Hakim, the Ha with a Ya in the word Hina, and the Ha with a Waw in the word Hut. When writing the letter Ha in the beginning of a word, it appears like this, with the bottom half of the letter cut off and the link ready to connect onto the next letter. In the middle of a word, the Ha appears with a link on both sides as it's a fully connected letter, and in the end of a word, the Ha can be written by itself or with a link before it, depending on if the previous letter is a fully connected letter or a semi-connected letter. So this is the letter Ha.